Do you know what's in the box? Well, if you're a DIY maker, you're going to want to stay tuned. What am I talking about? Let's jump into this together and I'll explain. Welcome to this episode of Shop Talk by DIY3DTech.com. This episode, I want to show what's inside this box. Now, there's a couple motives for me sharing what's inside this box. Now, we have the holiday season coming up, and there's kind of like one piece for this. But I bought several of these, and you'll see this in some upcoming videos in about a month or two. However, I kind of wanted just to introduce this to you guys because I thought it was interesting. So let's go ahead, get this open, and share the surprise. Ooh, pretty. What is it? It's a glue gun. Now, I know what you're saying, Mr. DIY3DTech.com. This isn't that exciting. It's a glue gun. Well, it is actually a little bit exciting. And I'm not going to give away the whole story today of why this is exciting. You're going to have to stay tuned for some future videos where I'm going to share why this is exciting. However, I am going to share a couple things with you in this video that I thought was interesting. Number one, the price of this is pretty good. Number two, this is a dual power gun, which is going to be important for the future. Now, I'm giving some hints here. So it's 60 watt and 100 watts, so you can switch it between 60 and 100 watts, which is really interesting, and that's part of what caught my attention with this guy. The other thing is, look at this nozzle. Is that a glue gun nozzle or what? So I'm very excited. Now, this came with a couple obligatory sticks that you stick in here, and it works like a typical glue gun, and you do that, which is not too exciting, but it's good that you got some free glue. But I really like this nozzle. This is an important piece for what's coming in the future. So there are really two interesting applications I'm going to be using this in the future for. And this nozzle is an important piece as well as this power setting. So again, hint, hint. Anyways, I wanted to share this with you. I'll have a link to this below. I think it was like in the $20 range. And for a dual powered gun like this with a nozzle like this, was pretty affordable. Most of the other ones which I was looking at that had these type of features were much more expensive. So I ended up buying several of these. And again, I will have more videos on this in the very near future, so stay tuned because you will want to see those. But just wanted to do an unboxing introduction, and if you just need it as a regular glue gun, I think this will actually work pretty well. So anyways, here's what's in the box, and again, stay tuned for more on this one. So if you found this interesting and you want to see where this goes, definitely hit the thumbs up button so I know. Swag Shop's up there, subscribe down there, and we'll catch you guys in the next video where we see some more cool things with this. Cheers.
Please click like below and subscribe to the channel.